If you love the outdoor life and sharing it with your kids, family and friends, this channel is for you.
Run underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're silent, bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. You're silent, bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild.
Subscribe and join us as we fish, hike and explore beautiful outdoors. Hear from our kids what they think about the activities and hikes that we take. We can't go camping without a campfire and tasty food. Try out our recipes and tips, and please share your own campfire recipes with the Gone Tracking community. We will share practical camping related product reviews and camping and fishing tips to help make your next trip your best trip and to land more fish on the bank. My name is Gustav and I would like to welcome you to Gone Tracking. Remember to hit that subscribe button and bell to be notified of our next adventure.
Follow me down, there's no one around. Lay back and take your socks and shoes right off. That natural light is so damn polite, can make you feel just like you were young.